Hi friends, today I am with the two new TWS from Truk and these are made for gaming only. It comes with the low latency playtime and speakers with 30 mm. If we talk about the design, it has a two different designs. So the BTG one is a futuristic radiant design, whereas the BTG 2 is a modern tribal design. Rest each and everything is same, even the price. We will talk about the price later on. If we talk about a few more things, it has a 48 hours of playtime. It comes with the deep bass and it has a quad mic ENC. Both comes with the gaming mode too. So just let me cut the wrapper so that we can see what comes inside the box. And after that we can discuss about the audio quality and also what is the price point for both of them. In the box, you are getting the earbuds charging case. There is SL and ear tips, which means small ear tips and large ear tips, plus Type C USB cable for charging. So this is what you are getting. Both are practically same. Just the box comes with a different design and look. These are specially meant for the gaming TWS. This is first in the market with such a budget price. What Truk has launched. Let's see what is inside the polythene wrap. This is actually only the case. It is empty and you can see the TWS there. We will put both the TWS and also there are ear tips, small and large one. There is a Type C charging cable. Also it comes with the booklet. I definitely will recommend you to check out the booklet and see what are the functions for the ear tips, and there is also warranty card inside the box. So this is what we have opened is the futuristic radiant design and it is also known as BTG1. Talking about the BTG2, it has the same content. It comes with the earbuds charging case, L and S ear tips, which means small and large. The medium ear tips are already there, and it also comes with the Type C USB-C charging cable. So here you can see it has a pretty much oval kind of design, and these are the ear tips, which definitely we will not go in detail right now. You have to wait for that, and once you put them you can see the light starts blinking. And let's go inside it and we can see also there is a Type C charging cable. There is also the ear tips SNL. There is also the guide. This guide I definitely recommend you to check it out so that you have an idea how it works. And there is also a warranty card inside the box. Now coming to the features, let's see the features in detail. It comes with a 32-bit RISC architecture, eco wind noise cancellation, and it comes with the Bluetooth 5.1. It has a dual mode, music mode and gaming mode, which can be switched. And in gaming mode you will get 60 ms low latency, and here you can see it comes with a dual mic noise cancellation, clear voice communication. It also gives you a cinematic sound experience with 13 mm titanium drivers, high dynamic and high sensitivity. It comes with the cinematic sound experience 13 mm 32 ohm titanium driver. So this is what we are getting, and coming starting with first we have the BTG1, and this comes with the futuristic design. So for pairing, just take out the two earbuds from the case and put it together. If you go to the Bluetooth, you can search BTG1 or BTG2 which you are pairing. Currently we are with the BTG1, and in this what are the functions I will tell you. If you touch the left earbuds for 2 seconds, it will go to the previous song. If you touch the right earbuds for 2 seconds, it will go to the next song. And if you double tap on the left earbud, it will go to the Google Assistant or Siri. If you want to change the volume adjustment through the earbuds, it can't be done. And even for the charging indication, it has shown here that 30 seconds the green light will be displayed in the box after it is charging. And here you can see I'm just changing the song. It can be done truly with the earbuds, and the TWS works with that very easily. Even if you double tap on the right side, you can switch to the gaming mode for the same. And for the audio quality looks good enough. We haven't discussed about the price, so definitely wait for the price, then I can tell you that is it worth or not for buying. Coming to the pairing, it is very easy to do that. It doesn't take too much time. If you talk about the charging, when you are charging, if you can see the white thing, it starts glowing and it will start glowing in green color. and that is definitely a different aspect. Even your TWS also have a light which glows while you are using it. I will definitely try to show that in the clip later on, but what Truk is offering and is differently stand out in the market, and the budget what it is offering, definitely it is a bang on deal. Now here you can see I'm just playing or pausing, and it is working very smoothly. Now I have done the double tap on the left side to start the Google Assistant. So this can be also done if you are wearing your TWS. Definitely I will recommend you to go through the book. Even you can start the gaming mode if you tap twice on the right TWS. So it is very easy. If we talk about the talk time, it goes around 5 hours of talk time for each earbuds. Definitely it is a long time, and also you can put them back to get recharged, and you can use it at least 5 to 6 times what the brand is claiming for the true BTG1. Now we will also talk about the BTG2. Coming to the BTG2, here you can see the design is very different. It comes with the oval finish, what I have already told you, and this comes with the modern tribal design, what they are calling it. Just take out the two TWS together and plug it into your ears. It will be available for pairing. Here you can see I'm just pairing with the BTG2, and it will ask to pair the option. Just tap it on that, and it is easy to go, and you can also hear the audio of the TWS saying that the BTG2 is being paired. So after that, here you can see I'm just trying to change it. I can do the play and pause. I can definitely change the track to previous or next, but just by tapping on the earbuds on TWS. On the left, if you touch, it will go to the previous song. If you touch to the right, it will go to the next song. And if you double tap on the left side, it will start the voice assistant or Siri. And if you double tap on the right side, it will go to the gaming mode. So these are the things what you're getting, but it can't increase or decrease volume. So it is a little bit unfortunate, but still acceptable what you are getting in this price point. And here I can show you that it works very easily. There is no hassle in that. And for using, if you have any doubts, you can definitely ask us in the comment section. It comes with the very basic uses and functionality. Here you can see I have also tried with the Google Assistant using it. So now this is what we are getting. How to pair I have already shown you. Now coming to the TWS, how it looks while using it. Here you can see we are trying to charge the BTG2, and here you can see the light is glowing. Once it is fully charged, the light will stop glowing. Now coming to the Truk, it has a charging point at the back. Remember, both the Truk TWS box comes with a Type-C charging port. And now I will just switch off the light so that you guys can see. This is how it will show while charging. Once it is charged, the light will be fixed and it will not blink. Even if you take out the TWS, you can see the green and the white light in it, and the white light is while it is charging, and the green light it will be there, so it is blinking both green and white light. You can put that in ears. I will definitely show you that part also. If you put that in ears, here you can see it is still blinking, and it is blinking because it is still not paired. If you talk about in the light, here is the fitting how it goes, and both the TWS have same look for the left and right. So I am not trying with the different BTG1 or BTG2 because both are look similar, exactly similar earbuds, and it doesn't have any problem. It weighs around 4 grams, so it is also not heavy while using. I have tried and played some games, but I haven't tried and for a longer purpose. But wait for the complete experience. I can give you in the comment section. You guys can ask us, and I will try to answer them. If you talk about them, this is one of the good earbuds what Truk has made in the price point. It is coming for 1999. It is around 2000 bucks for both the BTG1 and the BTG2. If I'm not wrong, these are going to be sold through Flipkart in India, and the price point is definitely attractive. So this is all about in this video for Truk BTG1 and BTG2, one of the first gaming TWS by the company. Tell us how you like the video in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, definitely let us know. This is all in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.